Have you ever thought about investing in gold bees? It's a question that might seem a bit out of the ordinary, but it's one that could lead you down a golden path of financial opportunities. Gold bees, also known as gold exchange traded funds or gold ETFs, are investment instruments that offer a novel way to invest in gold. But instead of holding onto physical gold, you're investing in units that represent physical gold. These units can be bought or sold just like shares on the stock exchange. In the realms of finance and investment, diversification is a key strategy. Just as a bee flits from flower to flower, spreading pollen and promoting growth, gold bees can help diversify your investment portfolio, potentially spreading risk and promoting financial growth. So, what's the buzz about? It's about gold bees, of course. Understanding gold bees is the first step to expanding your investment portfolio. Buying gold bees is a simple and straightforward process. Let's begin with the first step: registration. To purchase gold bees, you'll need to register on a trusted platform. This could be any reputable online trading or investment platform that offers exchange-traded funds or ETFs. You'll need to provide some basic information for this registration process, such as your name, contact details, and perhaps some identity verification details. Make sure you choose a platform that is user-friendly and has a good reputation for customer service. Once you're registered, it's time to move on to the selection of gold bees. Now, gold bees are essentially ETFs that invest in gold, and the units of these ETFs are listed on the stock exchange. When you buy a unit of a gold bee, you are buying a quantity of gold equivalent to the price of that unit. The value of your investment will fluctuate with the price of gold. So, take some time to research and select the gold bees that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Then, we move on to the purchase process. After you've selected your gold bees, you'll need to specify the number of units you want to buy. The platform will show you the total cost, and you'll need to confirm your purchase. Payment can typically be made through various methods such as bank transfers, debit or credit cards, or even digital wallets. Finally, once your purchase is complete, you'll receive a confirmation from the platform. This confirmation will include details of your purchase, such as the number of units you've bought, the total cost, and the date and time of your purchase. This is your receipt, and it's a good idea to save it for your records. Remember, buying gold bees is an investment. It's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Be sure to select a platform that is reliable and offers good customer support. With these steps, you are now ready to add gold bees to your investment portfolio. Investing in gold bees comes with its unique set of advantages. Key among them is the ability to diversify your portfolio. With gold bees, you're not just putting all your eggs in a single basket. Instead, you're spreading your investments across a variety of assets, which can help to mitigate risk. Another advantage of gold bees is that they can serve as a hedge against inflation. In times of economic uncertainty, when the value of currency can fluctuate wildly, the value of gold tends to remain more stable. This means that investing in gold bees can offer some protection against the erosive effects of inflation. In comparison to other investments, gold bees often carry a lower risk. While all investments carry some level of risk, the inherent value of gold and the historical stability of its price tend to make gold bees a safer bet. However, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides. Like any commodity, the price of gold can be volatile. It can go up and down in response to a variety of factors, including changes in supply and demand, geopolitical events, and economic indicators. Despite this, the historical trend for gold prices has generally been upwards, and many investors find that the benefits of investing in gold bees outweigh the risks. Gold bees offer a balance of risk and reward, making them an appealing addition to any investment portfolio. Investing in gold bees is a decision that should be made with careful consideration. As we've highlighted, understanding the buying procedure and the benefits is crucial. Remember, Gold bees offer a unique investment opportunity, merging the stability of gold with the flexibility of stocks. But as with any investment, it involves risks. Therefore, thorough research and a well-thought-out strategy are key. With the right knowledge and strategy, gold bees can be a golden opportunity for your investment portfolio.